Welcome to Yeah Kids. Come learn animal ABC phonics with us. Let's go!
A is for ant. A. She works so hard and lifts all day. B is for bear. B. He loves to nap and eat all day. C is for cat. She purrs and plays with balls of yarn. D is for dog. D. He wags his tail and guards the barn. E is for elephant. He's big and gray and loves to spray. F is for fox. He sneaks through woods so swift and sly. G is for giraffe. With a neck so tall she eats leaves high. H is for hippo. He splashes in the mud. I is for iguana. He chills on rocks and soaks up sun. J is for wood so swift and sly. G is for jellyfish. With a neck so tall she eats leaves high. K is for kangaroo. She jumps and bounces, what a sight. L is for lion. He roars so loud with all his might. M is for monkey. M. He swings on trees and eats bananas. N is for newt. He's small and sneaky in pajamas. O is for owl. He hoots at night and sleeps by day. P is for penguin. He waddles on ice and slides away. Q is for quail. She's shy and quick and hard to see. R is for rabbit. He hops through fields so happily. S is for snake. He slithers silently on the ground. T is for tiger. He stalks and prowls without a sound. U is for unicorn. A magical friend from dreamland too. V is for vulture. He flies in circles in the blue. W is for whale. She sings her songs deep in the sea. X is for Xerus. A desert squirrel, quick as can be. Y is for yak. He's big and furry, living high. Z is for zebra. With stripes of black and white.